Imagine pulling up in a head-turning luxury car, without the crushing monthly payments, the six-figure price tag, and the stress that usually comes with owning high-end machines. Sounds like a fantasy? Think again! This is not about renting, leasing, or borrowing. This is about owning the dream, smartly, strategically, and on a budget that will not leave you gasping for air. Welcome to the ultimate guide to buying luxury cars without breaking the bank, where insider strategies meet everyday affordability. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will know how to own a luxury car like a boss without draining your savings. And the best part is most people do not even know these secrets exist. Part 1. Why luxury cars depreciate like crazy. Let's start with the truth. Luxury cars lose value faster than ice cream melts in the summer. A brand new Mercedes, BMW, or Audi can lose up to 50% of its value in 3 years. Luxury cars typically depreciate faster than non-luxury cars due to a combination of factors, including perceived value, brand perception, and the complex nature of luxury vehicles. The high initial price and status symbol aspect of luxury cars create a significant perceived value that quickly diminishes as the vehicle is used, especially when compared to the perceived value of a more common everyday vehicle. Additionally, luxury brands may be perceived as less reliable or more expensive to maintain, further impacting resale value. Perceived value versus reality. Luxury cars have a high perceived value when new, driven by brand prestige and features. However, as they age, this perceived value diminishes as they become closer to being seen as simply a used car. Brand perception. Some luxury brands may not be perceived as consistently reliable as others, leading to concerns about future maintenance costs and lower resale value. Complex systems and parts. Luxury cars often have advanced features and complex systems that may require specialized knowledge and expensive repair parts. As the car ages, these systems may become more prone to issues, and the cost of repairs can deter potential buyers. Leasing and disposable attitude. The prevalence of leasing luxury cars can also contribute to faster depreciation. Many luxury car owners lease rather than buy, leading to a disposable attitude, with owners less likely to prioritize maintenance or long-term ownership. Supply and demand. The market for used luxury cars is often smaller than that for used mainstream vehicles. This can lead to lower demand and therefore lower resale value, especially for vehicles with more complex or expensive features. While that might sound terrible if you buy new, it is great news for savvy buyers like you. Here is why. You let someone else take the hit on depreciation. That means you can buy a luxury car just 2-4 years old, still in fantastic shape, for half the original sticker price. Think about it. Someone pays $90,000 for a Range Rover. 2 years later, you swoop in and grab it for $45,000. But what if I told you, even that is not the best deal you can get? Part 2. Certified pre-owned, the gold mine. Most people ignore certified pre-owned, 3 words that can change the game. The manufacturer thoroughly inspected, refurbished, and certified these luxury vehicles. You're getting an almost new luxury Quran, nearly new luxury car, often with extended warranties and perks like roadside assistance, for up to 60% less than new. And because it is factory certified, you are protected from those scary repair bills everyone warns you about. Here is a real-world example. A 2021 Audi A6. Brand new, $65,000. Certified pre-owned with just 20,000 miles? Around $38,000 with warranty. But what if you want something even cheaper and still luxurious? Part 3. The hidden world of off-lease vehicles. Off-lease vehicles are the unsung heroes of the luxury car world. These cars were leased for 2-3 years, gently driven, perfectly maintained, and then returned. Dealerships must move them fast, so the prices are often shockingly low. Here is the kicker. Many off-lease luxury cars have complete maintenance records, and some still qualify for factory warranty extensions. Want to snag a Lexus Infiniti or even a Porsche at up to 70% off the original MSRP? Off-lease is where it is at. But there is a trick to finding the best off-lease deals, and most people never hear about it. Part 4. Timing is everything. When to buy to save thousands, you know the phrase timing is everything. When it comes to buying a luxury car, it is gospel. The best time to buy? The end of the month, the end of the quarter, and the end of the year. Why? Dealerships have quotas. Salespeople need bonuses, and managers want to hit targets when they are most willing to negotiate. Combine that with slower buying months like January and February, and you can expect deep discounts, added incentives, and faster approvals. But the authentic secret sauce? It is not when, it is who you talk to. Part 5. How to negotiate like a pro want the best deal. You cannot just ask, what is the price? You need a strategy. Here is how to negotiate like a luxury car insider. Do your homework. Know the market value, mileage, and recent sales data. Always start lower than your budget. Be ready to walk away and mean it. Mention competitors and comparable listings. Use silence as power, make them talk. And here is the trick most people miss. Speak directly to the sales manager, not just the salesperson. The manager has the authority to make real deals happen. Negotiation gets you in the door, but how do you pay without getting buried in interest? Part 6. Financing hacks that save you thousands. Financing is where most buyers lose big. But not you. First, get pre-approved by your bank or credit union before entering a dealership. This gives you power and prevents them from marking up your rate. Second, check for manufacturer financing specials. Sometimes you can find low or even 0% APR offers on CPO models. Third, consider shorter terms. Yes, the payments are higher, but you will pay much less interest. Lastly, avoid add-ons like extended warranties from the dealer unless you have done your research. Many are overpriced. Financing is innovative, but what if you do not need it? Part 7. Auction secrets. Where dealers get their cars, want to know where the dealers buy their inventory. Auto auctions. And guess what? Some are open to the public. From government surplus sales to online auction platforms like Cars and Bids or Bring a Trailer, you can snag luxury cars way below market value. The catch? You have to do your homework. Inspections, history reports, title checks, they matter. Still, this is one of the most cost-effective ways to get a luxury car. And many savvy buyers are skipping the dealership entirely. What if you want luxury but hate maintenance headaches? Part 8. The most reliable luxury brands. Not all luxury brands are created equal. Some are flashy but fragile. Others? Quietly dependable for years. Here are the top picks for affordable long-term luxury. Lexus. Legendary reliability and low cost of ownership. Acura Honda's premium line, tech-packed and built to last. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury arm, has modern features and warranty strength. Infiniti, underrated, stylish, and less expensive to maintain. Avoid high-mileage European brands unless you have a great mechanic or a trust fund. Speaking of maintenance, how do you keep your luxury ride running like new on a budget? Part 9. Maintenance without the price. Tag luxury does not have to mean expensive upkeep. Here is how to stay sharp without breaking the bank. Use independent mechanics who specialize in your brand. Buy OEM parts online, skip the dealer markup. Learn basic DIY, YouTube is your best friend. Stick to the service schedule, prevention saves big. Use apps like RepairPal to compare service costs near you. And if you want to save, consider mechanical breakdown insurance, a smart alternative to extended warranties. Maintenance is one thing, but what about insurance? You might be overpaying and not even know it. Part 10. Cutting insurance costs for luxury vehicles. Luxury cars can mean luxury insurance premiums, but not if you play it smart. Start with these tips. Bundle your policies, home, renters, and auto. Raise your deductible to lower monthly rates. Use telematics programs that reward good driving. Compare quotes every 6 months. Loyalty does not always pay. Choose the right car. Some models are much cheaper to insure. Want proof? A BMW 3 Series may cost less to insure than a Dodge Charger. Crazy, right? Ready to put it all together? Let's build your blueprint. So here is your ultimate strategy. Shop CPO or off-lease models. Time your purchase, smartly negotiate with knowledge. Secure financing before you buy. Explore auctions and reliable brands. Cut costs on maintenance and insurance. Luxury does not have to be out of reach. With the right approach, it can be parked in your driveway. Without the guilt, without the stress, and without going broke. Remember, this is not about pretending to be rich. It is about being strategically smart. You deserve the ride of your dreams, and now you know how to get it. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building hacks, and share this video with someone who dreams of driving luxury without the price tag.